Hello everyone. So in this here we shall see the analysis of the cables. So earlier, we have seen the analysis of the trusses and frames. So first of all, we need to understand. So what is meaning of cables? Cables are flexible members, so which can resist the tensile loads. So these can resist only tensile loads. Cables cannot resist compressive loads, so they cannot withstand with the compressive loads. अगर compressive load apply किया तो sustain नहीं करता है. Also bending moment means cables can resist only tensile loads, not compressive loads and bending moment. So this is about the cables. So assumptions made in analysis of cables. There are few assumptions so that is made before analysis of the cables, so that we need to understand. First one is cable is perfectly flexible. Cable is perfectly flexible, that is flexible means what? It will not resist bending. So bending movement को वो resist नहीं करता है. The cable and supporting loads are in one plane. So whatever the cables and supporting loads, so they are in the one plane, means it is coplanar. The cross section of the cable is uniform, means जो cross section रहता है, so means it is like if it is, so if you take the cross section at any point, so it should have the same cross section, that is uniform cross section. Fourth one is the weight of the cable is negligible as compared to the applied loads, means self weight is neglected. The fifth one is the only tensile force along the cable is present in the cable, means it can resist only tensile loads, so other loads are being neglected. So that we need to understand. So these are the few assumptions, so main important assumptions, so that is made in the analysis of the cables. Next is we need to understand, so even if cables have fixed support, they behave as a pin or hinged supports. So at the point of joints, so they are assumed as they are pin or hinged supports. So and next one is, here we need to understand, being the nature of force is tensile in the cable, the reaction at any point in the cable always acts away from the point. So because they can only take the tensile loads, so reaction is at any point is away from the supports. And to find the support reactions, equilibrium condition is applied to the by drawing the free body diagram, means so reactions are calculated, found by applying equilibrium condition to the whole system. And fourth one is the tension in the cable is maximum where cable makes largest inclination with the horizontal. So that way I am going to explain this assumption. Such portion of the cable is adjacent to the one of the supports. So as we proceed, so I will explain you these things in the problems also. So let us solve one problem on this, so that points will be more clear. देखो, so this is the problem number 19. So from the question bank, two loads are suspended as shown in the figure from the cable A, B, C, D. So these are the two loads, 30 Newton kilonewton and 22.5 kilonewton are suspended from the cable ABCD. So ABCD, it is a cable. Okay, so from point B 30 kilonewton is applied, from point C, at point C 22.5 kilonewton force is applied. So these are the supports, pin joints. So even it is fixed, so we are going to consider they as a pin joints. So that is we are seen in the assumption. Knowing that the DC equal to 0.75 meter and DB is equal to 1.125 meter. So determine the component reaction at A and maximum tension in the cable, maximum tension in the cable. Because we need to find component reaction at A and maximum tension in the cable. So केबल का टेंशन किधर ज़्यादा है उसको फाइंड करने के. Okay, so this is the given problem. So sometimes you see here, so this DC and DB, this values dimensions are given. Sometimes, so there will be only one dimension will be given. So other dimension we need to calculate. So that also I will explain. So if it is not given, so how to calculate the dimension of DB. So this is the free body diagram of the whole system. So this is cable A, B, C, D. 30 kilonewton is applied, 22.5 kilonewton is applied at point B and C. So reaction components AX and AY, DX and DY. So first of all we need to find the reactions at different points A and D. So for equilibrium diagram of the whole system, so you take the moment at point A. So if you take the moment at point A, so you will get the uh, reaction dy. So if you take the moment at point A, so you will get the value of dy. That is, so moment due to this force minus 30 into 2 because it is clockwise, 22.5 into 4 clockwise, so it is minus, and so moment due to this dx is 0 because it is passing through point A, and only dy is dy plus dy because it is clockwise anti-clockwise, so it is plus dy into 5 is equal to 0. So if we simplify this, you will get the value of dy. So dy is equal to 30 kilo Newton. Next, similarly, if you apply the condition of summation of f of y is 0, so you will get the value of ay. So ay is equal to 22.5 kilo Newton. Again, if we use the condition summation of f of x is 0, so we will get the summation of f of x is 0 if you apply the condition. So it is, you can see here, so minus ax plus dx is equal to 0. So we cannot get the any value here. So is okay, so we need to go ahead. So that is again, so you can see here first of all, so again we need to take the moment because summation of f of x in this equation, so this equation is not able to solve because we don't know the ax also, dx also. So first you can, next you can consider the free body diagram of the what you can say, this portion CD. So we can consider the free body diagram of portion CD. So if you consider the portion CD, so if you take the moment, this is the portion CD. Okay, so here there are two reactions, so dx and dy. So this is the distance dc, 1 meter, so this is point C. So here 22.5 kilonewton is applied, and so this is the tension in the cable CB. So you can see here, so this point is C and B, so tension in the cable CB, 30 kilonewton is applied in the downward direction, dx and dy. So these are the reaction on the for the free body diagram CT. So if you take the moment at point C here for this cable portion of the cable, so we will get the value of dx here. So we will get the value of dx. So this is the equation, minus dx into dc. dc की वैल्यू कितना है 0.75 प्लस dy into 1 because we are taking the moment at point C. So is equal to 0, dx is solve किया तो so you will get the value of dx is 40 kilonewton. So if you put in the equation number 3, so f of x equation dx को इस equation में put किया तो so we will get the value of ax. We will get the value of ax. So ax is also 40 kilonewton. dx is 40, ax is also 40 kilonewton. देखो suppose in some of the problems db will not be given. देखो so this value is given in this problem. Suppose if this value is not given in the problem, so how to calculate this db value? So you can see here, so by considering the ab, you can see here, so this is ab, so this angle is equal to, so this angle theta, so you can see here, so this is reaction ax ay and this ra is the resultant. So if you see here, so here, so this ay component, so if I draw here, so this will be ay red, whatever the things it is showing in the red color, so this is ay and it is ax and ay. Again if you in this triangle, so if you consider tan theta, it is means opposite, means ay by ax. Okay, so ay by ax it is 2.25. so ay value कितना है 2.25. so instead of that you can go for the, so ay it is, so ay it is how much it is 22.5 and ax it is 40. So it is one decimal is neglected, 2.25 divided by 4, 1 0 already cancelled before placing the values. So 2.25 by 4, so if you calculate this, so you will get the value of theta. So once you get value of theta here, so already you know this value 2 meter. So from this equation we will get the value of theta. So again by using this triangle, so tan theta again, so db by 2. So by this way, so you can calculate the value of db if it is not given in the problem. So it is already in this problem, it is given tan theta is equal to db by 2. So if you solve this equation, so you will get the value of db, so which is already given in the problem. So next is, so we have calculated the reaction values. Reaction तो अभी सभी calculate कर दिए, तो ax and ay, dx and dy. Next is maximum tension in the cable. So tension is always maximum near the support, so that we have made in the assumption. So assumption में हमने देखा है. Also since ax is equal to dx but dy is greater than ay, so tension is maximum at support D. देखो, so here we need to understand ax is equal to dx. So either tension is maximum either in the portion CD or in the portion AB. So AB में तो ज़्यादा है, नहीं तो CD में ज़्यादा है. तो दोनों में से किस में ज़्यादा है? So in which portion it is maximum? So how to find that? So suppose you can see here, so in which, so it is tension in the cable here, it is equal to the resultant here. So resultant force of ax and ay. Otherwise in this portion tension in the cable here is equal to the resultant of dx and dy. So if it is this resultant is more, then tension in the cable in this cable is more, because ultimately it is the reaction. Whatever the tension in this cable, so that is the reaction here. So similarly whatever the tension in the cable, so it is reaction here. So which resultant value is maximum? So in that portion, so it is tension in the cable is maximum. So resultant की equation क्या होता है? Square root of x component square plus y component square. So ax value तो same है, dx and ax is equal to dx, but here dy is equal to ay. Sorry, dy is greater than ay. So that's why, so resultant rd the resultant is at point D is more than at point A. So that's why tension in the cable CD is maximum. Tension in the cable CD is maximum. Tension in the uh, tension is maximum at support D. So maximum tension is means it is reaction at point D. So that is RD is equal to square root of dx square plus dy square. So if you substitute dx and dy value, so you will get the maximum value of tension. So this is how, so we need to make the analysis of the cables. So here what we have calculated, different reactions. So at point A and point D, AX and AY, dx and dy. So you can see here, so here it is just said in the problem that determine component of reaction at A. पॉइंट ए पे सिर्फ कंपोनेंट रिएक्शन को फाइंड करने के, उसका रिजल्टेंट का जरूरत नहीं है. एंड मैक्सिमम टेंशन इन द केबल. Okay, so that we need to calculate, so that we are done here. So thank you again. So if you have any doubts, so you can please contact me. So in the next video, so I'm again going to explain you the space forces. Okay, thank you.